Okay, KGX, good evening everyone and welcome to KGX channel. Okay, so as you can see, this is BTC USDT 4 hours time frame technical analysis. Bitcoin price is around 84,448.5. Exact time is 9:56 p.m. and date April 17, 2025. Okay? So far, Bitcoin is currently approaching strong resistance zone between 85,400 and 85,600. Okay? Or maybe 83,300. For the 85,400 and 85,600, this level has previously acted as a major supply area or a major resistance area. We saw seller pushing down the price. Like yesterday, after the rejection of 85,400 to 85,600, and then the sellers pushing down the price. Okay? And then we saw the 83,300. Okay? So, if BTC can break and close above 85,600 with the solid volume, okay, we could potentially see the movement towards 86,000 to 88,000 in the short term. Okay? But if the resistance hold below the 85,600, there is a chance we'll see some rejection or sideways movement. Okay? And take note of this. Keep an eye on the support zone. Okay? So if those level breaks, Bitcoin might revisit the 77,000 region. Okay? So right now, that is our TA for 4 hours time frame, Bitcoin USDT. It's all about how price reacts at this critical resistance level, and I think you need to stay sharp. Okay? And let me show you our Telegram group. Okay? This is our Telegram group. If you want to join to our group, where I share technical analysis on Bitcoin here, and some altcoins like GOAT, like Chill Guy, like Saga, like Ban, like usual, no? Please register my link in BitGet in the description and comment section in my YouTube channel. And then after registration, after registering, just PM me in my Telegram and I will check it. Okay? Good day and good night, everyone. Salute.